Hey everyone, it's a sunny afternoon down at the Optimus Performance Workshop. Josh here, and what we got today is we are picking up and trying to install our new lathe. So it is a big boy. We went from a little tabletop thing, like a Chinese special that's about this big, which did alright for what we needed, but it wasn't overly amazing. We went from that to a big floor standing, huge thing, so I thought if we're going to do it, might as well get a decent one. It's old. Don't actually know quite at the moment how old. I'm hoping it's got a date plate or not, or something so we can identify it as. It's an old Herbert Edgewick. So Sam's on his way down with it now. I've got to finish cleaning up the area here in the conservatory where it's going to go. Fair bit of space, it's got to come in through the conservatory doors. It's going to be absolute madness. We've got a 90-degree rotate it when it's in here, so all fun and games. So keep watching and you'll see if we manage it or if it's a complete flop and back to the drawing board. After that ordeal, they managed to finally get the lathe in. It is, wasn't actually, well, the hard part was getting it through the door. The easier part, well, still hard, but the easier bit was literally wheeling it and barring it over here. But it is in, it is wide in. This is the maiden turn on, so I'll let Liam, as Liam will probably be the one using it most. We put a bit of stock that we've got kicking about in there. We're not going to actually do it, I don't think, if we've got some tool in, but Sam has forgotten to turn on the breakers, so there we go. In 3, 2, 1. That thing's got some power. But we do have a guard for it, for safety, of course, so it's down there. Out of the way. We've got an assorted box of tooling somewhere, I don't know, probably Liam's going to go over now. Yeah, I might have to get some new bits and pieces, but I say it's no harm in investing in decent tooling. I mean, I'm never going to be using this, it'll be either Sam or Liam, but ayo, I still think it's cool. It's in a decent condition. I mean, it's it's not really small either. And there was a workbench here that I've now got to relocate, so that is my next problem, but I don't think there's no date. I'll have to see if I can find out and maybe amend the description if I can find something. Okay, well, that's the four-jaw chuck.
That's for doing off-centered things. So we can do cranks.
Yeah, okay. Damn. Damn, so that is the end of this video. In the future you may see it being used for something. I don't know what at the moment. I guess we'll cross that bridge when we get to it, but remember, subscribe. We've got a drill press video coming out soon, and then hopefully the final one in the workshop tool series will be the mill, which we want to put here, in that section there. So stay tuned, at some point we will get one day when we have lots of money spare.